Good morning and welcome to Drum TV. We are going to look at today's trends on social media and headlines in the newspapers. On social media, hashtag Mbeki is trending after former President Thabo Mbeki released a series of essays in which he accuses Deputy President Cyril Ramaphosa, businessman Tokyo Safwale, and Matthew Poza for plotting to oust him as president. He says he wants to rewrite the country's history and correct it. This morning on the front page of the Star newspaper, in a headline titled Campus Drive Flares, they look at the Fees Must Fall campaign, which started again yesterday as students were set to register for the new year. Students at the University of Witwatersrand, the University of Johannesburg, and the University of South Africa took to the streets once again to protest for the eradication of school fees. Students who want to register have been encouraged by all these universities to do so online. On the front page of the Business Day this morning, in a headline titled Rand Battered in Fresh Turmoil, they look at how the Rand has reached an all-time low, dropping by 10%. Currently, the Rand is sitting at 17 Rands.91 to the US dollar, and experts say the value of the Rand is set to drop even further and could be sitting at 20 Rands in the upcoming months. For more information on today's top headlines, we encourage you to peruse the Drum website. This is Ayanda Sitole reporting for Drum TV.